What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going to go over Jasmy coin, which is down 1% at 2 cents. Man, this thing's pretty much just been a stable coin the last couple months, which is awesome because a lot of coins capitulated a lot during this retracement here, while Jasmy actually held up very, very strong. We're actually been putting in higher highs and higher lows as well. So, like we talked about with several videos, next resistance 3 cents and then 5 cents. We're to go over that in the TA today. We are back above $1 billion market cap, which is huge. Hopefully, we can maintain that $1 billion market cap. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. What's going on, Jasmy moon boys and girls? You guys staying strong? Jasmy staying strong. We're above that 618 right here. Just been consolidating between the 786, 618 since February. Absolutely insane. While the entire market shit the bed, Jasmy held up strong at the 618. On top of that, we're testing a very critical resistance area right now. This is our moon line right here, boys. If we happen to break above 2122, our ascension to 3 cents would be on the table. We've actually flipped from bearish to bullish, in my personal opinion, from this point on, putting in higher highs and higher lows. So the overall trend from here, I think, has officially reversed. So it's just a matter of time till we see that breakout to the upside. And like we mentioned, that 5 cents area is the goal. The prior resistance back here is going to be the next push up. So I still think that 5 cents is doable in the next, I thought it was going to be this month, but obviously it wasn't. So I'm going to move it to next month and say June. June should be very, very bullish. A lot of altcoins are looking like they're about ready to explode, including Jasmy. Now, if we look at the indicators here, the MACD or the RSI is looking strong, putting in higher highs and higher lows since May 3rd. The MACD it's kind of losing its bullish momentum, but we're not really seeing any large retracements right here. Pretty much just stagnant sideways, which is nice to see. WTX is starting to tail up as well. So what we want to monitor here is that downtrend resistance area, like I mentioned, around that, I would say 2-2 area. That 2-2 area would be our breakout point. On top of that, what we can currently see is happening right now is a symmetrical triangle forming here for Jasmy. And normally when you break out of the symmetrical triangle, you go the length of the flagpole, which this is the flagpole right here from the initial run up to the first peak. And if we happen to break out right here, see, that brings us up to around 12 cents, which is absolutely nuts. So that's a little bit of hopium right there. But I do think that 5 cents in June is definitely a doable task here, which is right up around that lifelong 618 area. Now, what we really want to focus on here, I know it sucks, guys. I know it sucks that Jasmine's not really doing anything. But until the time being, until Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, there is that possibility of Jasmine just consolidating within this pennant and until it breaks out to the upside. Overall, though, I think it's just a matter of time to break out to the upside. I don't think Jasmine's going to be breaking below that 1.5. Now, we dipped below it a couple times here with Wix, but overall, the momentum has been bullish. I don't think we're going to be breaking below that 1.5 cents Jasmine. I think any buying opportunity about 1.5 or 1.6 would be golden, because once we start rallying out of that 1.5, 1.6, Jasmine's need to go to infinity and beyond. Now, obviously, once you break out of this downtrend at 2.2, you have your resistance of the 786 at around 3, and then you have that 5.5 resistance area right here, which came big, dude. It came big all the way back to October 2021. There was 5 cents here. 5 cents was the support here before we fell. We tested 5 cents as resistance here. So we haven't been up to 5 cents since March 2022. So that's big news. Now, people are saying, what is Jasmy's possible bull run high, right? There's some crazy predictions out there. I keep it reasonable. I go from the high to the low. And realistically, there is a 1, 2, 3, 6 up here at about $1. So dollar Jasmy, in my personal opinion, is reasonably on the table. And then for your hopium, there actually is a 1.618 up here at $7.28. Unfortunately, I don't think Jasmy's going to be hitting $7. Sorry, guys. There's just way too many coins in circulation. Unless they lock a bunch up or burn a bunch, I think $1 would be definitely a reasonable amount. Honestly, realistically, I'm thinking 35 cents would be the real amount right here, somewhere in between the prior high and 1, 2, 3, 6. So I would say $1 might be the bull run peak. I know there's some people saying this thing's going to infinity and beyond, which who knows, it could. Some crazy stuff happened during the bull run. But as of right now in the short term, guys, just short term consolidation. Keep an eye on 2-2. Overall, the momentum since May 2nd has flipped. We have officially flipped into a bullish trend instead of a downwards bearish trend. We're finally in an uptrend right now. So eventually, once you break out, we should see some bullish movement to the upside for Jasmy. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.